Okay. AI has been trained with one very simple thing, right? It's about detecting patterns.
Mhm.
It's really all about that. When you look at, and that's in fact the precursor of the generative AI was machine learning, and that was what it was all about. Machine learning is really teaching a machine to detect patterns so that when you give it a new input, it can reason and say that, this is whatever. Like, for example, you train a machine how to recognize a dog by showing it pictures of animals and specifying which are dogs and which are not.
Mm.
So eventually figures out the pattern of figuring out when a picture is shown, whether enough of those patterns are there so that you can say, that's a dog. And that's basically what AI is really all about.